you'll need someone in your organization with Office 365 or Microsoft 365 admin rights to go to office.com. And then on the left, click on admin, which will bring up this admin portal. They will need to click on show all and then settings and then integrated apps. And then what we're going to do is say upload a custom app here. And we're going to upload a manifest file. I will send you this file for Budget2SQL. And so let's add it for now. And it validates the file to make sure it's all legitimate. We now go next. Is this a test deployment? You can say no, because it will be for real use. And you could say just me, or you could specify specific users. So for example, here I could add Alan Gibbon, and I could add myself. And now it would only appear for the two of us in our Excel when we fire it up. And then we hit next. We accept the permissions that are needed, that would need that administrator's rights. And we click next again. Apps to deploy. It just confirms the app and the specific users, and we say finish deployment. And this should now allow the apps to appear in your Excel account if you are the user that has been added. Hope that is helpful.